Hello YouTube, this is my 2012-2013 fireworks stash. I will show you what I have. First, you have your Meteor Blast TNT. Second, you have 2 Death Wishes. Third, XXX rated. Fourth, Whistling Moon Travel Water Rockets, Ultra 96, Color Pearl, Desert Smoke, Big Pop Pops. Those are the big ones, they're about that big. Sound like a gun went off. Kaleidoscope, Outer Limits Fountain, Yellow Stars Fountain. You have Crackling Balls and Hammer Crackers. Malicious Intent, never even seen that, can't even find it on the internet. Another one, Dragon, Saturn Battery, Halley's Comet, 2 the preloaded tubes, Powerful Crackle, and Brocade Silver to Green. Black Box, the shells, they're about that big, they're huge. And here's the price. That was from last year. That's from this year. Got sparklers, 1 Roman candle. I used to have 4, but I lit 3 of them off. Last time you're gonna see it. Oh, and I have artillery 6-pack bag. Never seen that either. Well, I've seen a video of it.